Hey guys, thanks for stopping by your review channel. Do appreciate that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit. This video is all about the O-Cedar spin mop. There it is right here. It's in action. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you how to use it really quickly. And this thing's the best. Stay tuned. It's all about the spin mop.
Okay guys, let's get into the video right now. So basically, I've got a lot of comments and a lot of questions basically about reviewing products. And here's one that I've got a request on. It's the O-Cedar spin mop, okay? So I want to do a quick review. I've been using this mop a little bit for a while, but I wanted to just show you what's in the box, how it comes. Let's get into the video right now. What's in the box and how it operates and how to use it. Real simple, really cool device. I'll leave a link below where you can pick this up. This is a really good mop. It works great. It's easy to handle, easy to use. So let's get into the opening of it and take a look what's in the package. Okay, so what is in the package is a handle. And this is a telescopic handle, and I'll show you how that works in a minute, okay? Comes with a head here, okay? And these bags here, these snap into this, okay? So I did use this a little bit, so this one is a little dirty, but I wanted to show you how this works because a lot of people asking me about this mop. So I wanted to make this quick video. So these snap in and out like that, and these are all washable. So, and then you get the main one that comes on the mop itself. And these are replaceable and washable, okay? And then you get the extension handle wand, okay? And then you get the bucket itself. Let's take the bucket out. And that's it, nothing else in there. Really no instructions, really, because it's pretty simple, okay? So this is the mop here. This is the bucket. This is the actual where you put the head of the mop, okay? And this is where you spin the head, right here. There's a little lever right here. So you can see how that works. So you step on this, and that spins. So basically what you do is you put once you're done, you put it together. The mop head goes in here, easy to show you like this. And then when you spin it, watch. Now that is awesome. And I'm going to put this to a live demonstration. I'm going to show you how this works. And this thing is fantastic. Stay tuned. Okay, so this screws onto here. Real simple stuff here. Okay, so this screws onto here. And this is an extension wand. So this opens up. You can adjust the height. Okay, then you lock it into place. You just turn it. Okay, and here you go. You can see, just like that. So you can adjust the height. You can make it smaller and taller, which is really kind of cool. So it's adjustable, which is really nice. All right, so I make it a little bit taller. And I'm a little taller, so that's a tall one. And you can get a look at that. And you can see how this pivots back and forth. This thing is wicked awesome, right? So if you're mopping, you're cleaning up, you can kind of give it the old swishy swish, right? Like that there. Then you put it in here, right? And check this out, right? Watch what happens. And I'll show you. This is without water, and I'll do it with water, so you'll see. This is just a dry run. And on top of here is a pivot. This is what spins like this. If you can see that. So when you turn it, you hold this handle, and the whole mop spins, and you don't have to hurt your hand. It's really kind of funny. Watch this. Check this out. So I'll hold it here, that way you can see what's going on here, the action. Okay, so now you can see. If you spin this, you can see what's happening. The handle stays still. And you can spin the whole mop. So this stays still, and the whole mop spins. So it's really cool. So let's get into actually using it and see how it works. Okay guys, so a couple things. I got some water in here, and the bucket is really well balanced. So you can see here, it's well balanced. It's not too heavy, and you have a max fill line here. Hopefully you can see it. 1 second, let me see if I can get this right here. Right here, it's hard to see, but there's a max fill line right here, okay? So that's the maximum you can put it, because you go higher up than that, and you're actually impeding on the actual rinsing cycle here. So you can't go too high with the bucket, so just go to the max or a little less, it's fine. I'm just using plain water just to show you how this works and give you an example on how the spin mop works, okay? We want to get the mop wet with water. So you can see that. And then we want to rinse that a little bit. Watch what happens. Okay? And there's no water. And then you just give it basically. And check this out.
Hey guys, just want to jump in here real quick. If you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. It does help me out quite a bit. I do appreciate that. Hope you're enjoying the spin mop. It's awesome. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, look at that. Thing is awesome, right? When you're done, you rinse off the dirt. Right? And then you dry it again. Okay? It's mop already dry and ready to go. And this is how this works. This thing is awesome. Alright guys, I have this personally. I use this all the time. This is an awesome mop. So I'll leave a link down below. I just wanted to give you an example how this works. I wanted to show you pretty much, how the spin technology works and how this actually does a great job in the water. You can see the dirt is piling in the water and you know this thing is working. You just know it. And just continue.
Okay guys, so when you're done with it, just dump the water down the toilet. It's filthy. This is, like I said, just plain tap water in the beginning, and you can see how dirty this water really is. So this thing works awesome. As you can see, there's some filthy water going down, and that's how the spin mop works. Alright guys, so that is a quick review about that. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really awesome just doing this video for you and showing you how this works. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this spin mop. This is super high quality. I mean, high quality, heavy duty impact plastic. This stuff will last a lifetime. You really can't go wrong. All right, so I hope you enjoyed my review. I do appreciate you tuning into review channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe like I said before. Also, you'll be notified with all types of reviews. If you want me to do something specific for you, let me know and I will do it for you. I will look into it. I will do everything I possibly can. All right, guys, so that's it for me. I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.